Good morning, everybody. My name is JoyKa. Welcome to my channel. So I'm actually leaving today with my husband to Athens from Santorini. It's been a good 4 days here. Unfortunately, we had some little problems in this first timers as visitor here in a cave hotel. I can show you why. Well, one of the first things though that I really love about this hotel is the incredible view of the sea. And this is actually very nice. The shampoo that they have, it's like from Prija. It sounds Spanish, but it really smells very Arabian. We technically paid for the view, but we had a lot of issues as far as the stay here. But it's our last day, just moving on. But to avoid you guys from making the same mistake by not coming here, I mean, that's our intake. Well, it's up to you, but here it's about 400 something per night. Usually the nicer hotels or cave hotels are 800 to 1,000 a night. So I thought, hey, this one has jacuzzi. I'm supposed to get free wine too. Well, and the pictures looks really great, but guess what? When we came here, everything looks really old. A broken chair. Everything is really old here. I mean, they said it's antique, but and then one of the first things we had problems with was flooding. It's just like the most annoying shower I ever had. Like, and then the curtains. I mean, I just showered, but we're only here for 4 days, and this is what it looks like already when we came in. Like, it looks really dirty. I don't even think they cleaned it. And then yesterday, so I want to make sure that, hey, it's COVID times. Are we sharing the jacuzzi? Because we paid for it. We're supposed to get private jacuzzi as stated on Expedia. So they said, yeah, it's supposed to be your own jacuzzi. And guess what? We had new people coming in and they ended up using the jacuzzi. So we couldn't even use it. Here's another thing you should know. Someone is staying there and the jacuzzi is right there. So if you're eating breakfast, don't expect you're gonna be by yourself. This is supposedly luxurious area, but we made the best out of it. We were mostly outside, so dirty. You always say there's like the wind might blow, but there's like a covering there. So another thing that you have to remind yourself is that in Santorini, you know, you have your breakfast that might be next to someone, and the jacuzzi. Some people may think it's a shared jacuzzi, but I was informed by the receptionist that it's actually supposed to be just ours, just because we're the one who paid for it. But unfortunately, I think some people don't know that or did not listen, that they end up using the jacuzzi. Anyways, we're just gonna move on. Secondly, you know, we bought Caldera, so as a gold member, I was supposed to get free wine, and the receptionist had mentioned I didn't know about that. I think he said that a couple of times already. I mean, if you work here, you should know, right? No, the reception is very nice, but I feel like he just doesn't want to deal with it. I mean, this is supposed to be our honeymoon, and there's just so many things that we kind of had to bring it up, just because I feel like, I mean, we booked this place. It's really expensive. I mean, it's probably the cheapest one here in Ia by the sea, but we just had to bring up the attention. that's life. We experience a lot of things in life where it might be uncomfortable, issues, so we just have to deal with it. But I am grateful for the beautiful views, the opportunities that we can have to have a freaking second honeymoon in Greece, and I'm just grateful for that and for all the people that we have met. Oh, okay, so this video that I'm making is on Chania. Chania has so many amazing food, so I'm really excited for you guys to see it and let me know what you think. And I apologize if I look really tired because I was really tired. Made is from Naxos. I love Naxos and I really hope you love it too. It's just such an amazing place. People are so relaxed, laid back, and like it's just the type of place I think we belong to. I mean, we don't really like to wear like expensive clothes like they do here in Santorini. Naxos, not very touristy. I mean, they have a lot of stuff that tourists can do, but it's very chill. You guys should go to Naxos because the price of the food is probably a lot cheaper than Mykonos and Santorini. And it is also the biggest island on the Cyclades, and there's so much things to do: hiking, beautiful beaches, food that won't get you broke. Check it out. Alright, you guys need, after 17 days of being in Greece so far, I will tell you my advice. Check out my video. Actually, I'll tell you now how many things you can do there. You can take a tour for a very cheap price. It will be about 25 euros per person. Check out Crete for Naxos Island tour. Or you can climb Mount Zeus, which we didn't do because I don't have the proper shoes. Oh, my eye. I just put my eye drops. Or you can do swimming. One of the beaches that we saw was Apollo. It's very beautiful, the town of Apollo. And there's so many places you can eat at a fraction of the cost compared to other famous towns like Mykonos and Santorini, or islands, towns, islands. Mykonos, the windy city. Alright, let me mention about Mykonos. We only went there for one day just because one, it's expensive, and two, there's not really a lot of things to do except maybe lie down on the beach. That's not really what we're looking for, but we did visit it because I heard it's a very windy island, and also we wanted to go to Delos. Now, we did that in the afternoon, and you should check out the video because I had some great tips for you guys to save you some money, maybe a one-day trip in Mykonos, and also check out my Delos trip. Peace. Santorini, it's a beautiful view of the caldera in Ia. We had an amazing time here, overlooking such an amazing view, but unfortunately our hotel, our first cave hotel experience wasn't the most pleasant stay. I tried to hopefully change the days to 3 days instead of 4 days, but I couldn't because we can't. and we don't want to lose money, so we end up staying here 4 days. Our 4th day we just relaxed, enjoyed the view, ate nearby, and checked out the nearby beach, which wasn't really that great. Downside of hotel here. There's a pool. Just don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos. I do want to share my experience with you guys so that you guys can have a great experience once you're here in Greece. Thank you. Goodbye. I'm supposed to look here. Am I supposed to look at you? Or am I supposed to look at here? Am I supposed to look at you? Am I supposed to look at you? Am I supposed to look at here? Am I supposed to look at you? Baby, where am I supposed to look? Where am I supposed